Hello, thanks. Today we at the newly did Nelson Pier. This has been given a whole renovation. Got some bike repair and pump stations. Now what this is, let me go closer from the city of Nelson. It looks to be a bathroom which is unoccupied. Got a little garbage can and a hand dryer, some coffee upon it, a sink, and a toilet. And indeed, here we can see some lovely ducks and a dog. This can't be talking without the dog and speak which once this has been released, all of, not some of, Stu's videos from Southern Ontario will be renamed as they do not about talking, which is essential for the Kiwi to be talking dog. So, forgot. Then here is the ladybird boat. City of Nelson thingy. Here is the ladybird in a little glass shell that I still that normally you would be able to enter. Yeah, see the historical. Will you let me see? Okay. Here, hey. Behold! And, what exactly is that flag there? Got the flag of Canada and that Saudi Arabia. No, the Saudi Arabia short on it. I don't know, this is flag ahoy. And now let's walk out to the pier. Over here, let's get a very smoky shot of the orange bridge. Yes, there were tons of wildfires in the area. The marina is still glorious as ever. And here's that wood thing up close. Here's it really up close. And here, from this angle, got some slicks in it. to provide anyone Nalkin with quite an impeccable view out of Tiny Lake, if I would say so myself. Now, what precisely is that flag?
Yeah, it's pretty deep.
Out of pier! Behold! The boat and the hotel. Shall we go down that thing? I think we shall. Don't mind me, thumb. It's like the chicken moose all over again. Some geese. Didn't this cost the shit like a bunch of money on screen future editor me? Thank you. Here's your little duck. Ooh, that guy's brave. He's only gone and swam in the water. A boat. I want a boat like that. A big boat. Thought that was one of the ones you're in the early day ship, but not that I think. What if it is? I will only have to check. No, I do not believe it is. This dog is donated to the Cooney Rhythm Dragons. Here's another little boat. Forward me, hearty! Why am I talking like a pirate? Yeah, I'm not a pirate. Is the fancy canoe back here? Nope.
Yes.
And what do you think? It looked like a boat taking off. Let's go up to get a better view of this amazing ship action. Will that boat take off? Looks like we're getting something now. And here comes another out in for the dark. Going away a couple geese. Put them down. Say hi to the camera, Stu.
Hello, Dog and audience. Hope you're enjoying our smoky day at the pier. It's looking good. First
It
time
may or may not be
Lake or I have been here.
dark, and we'll have to hear if either one of the folks actually land to take our phone
Oh,
out.
ship ahoy, audience. I meant to say
That's
ship ahoy,
plain
audience.
talk when we're talking about the ship ahoy, not bloody plane ahoy.
That's right. Our ship ahoy audience. I don't know. You're just sitting there? Looks like he's tied down.